Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a deep clean with me. Our house is much due for a deep clean, as well as just like organizing, tidying up, and then we definitely need to like get in and like wipe stuff down and do a full deep clean of my house. I do keep everything pretty organized and tidy throughout like the time in between cleanings, but we haven't done an actual scrubbing deep clean in a while, so I'm going to be doing that today. I feel like these videos are fun to make, just kind of like time lapse of a lot of this stuff and also just motivating to watch. So I'm going to be going through, like I said, pretty much our whole house. Right now I'm in our bedroom. I'm going to start here, of course, just kind of picking up, and then I'm going to be dusting, wiping stuff down, going into our bathroom and doing a lot of wiping down in there and some deep scrubbing. Our guest room and guest bathroom shouldn't be too bad, but I'm definitely going to go through with that, as well as our whole downstairs, our living room, kitchen. This, like I said, full house deep clean. Hopefully the sun doesn't set during this, but it very much might, especially if I have to break it up and do a little bit more tonight. But I wanted to go ahead and get started with our room and hope you all enjoyed this video. First thing I'm going to do is make our bed. We did not make it today, so I'm going to go ahead and get that done. Sometimes I'll just do like a rough make, like pull up the sheets and stuff, but I'm actually going to be doing a full kind of remake of the bed. So go ahead and get everything off. I did just wash the sheets the other day, so those don't need to be cleaned. Go ahead and take off the duvet. The fitted sheet should be good, but gotta go ahead and remake this. The sheets, I throw duvet back on. Actually start at the bottom to make sure there's enough hanging off. And then I pull it up and do a big fold at the top. Throw our sleeping pillows up here. We have our shams and throws on each side. Put our quilt back on the end. And of course, gotta do the chop. I have two throw blankets that I just drape on the side. This is a Barefoot Dreams. I have this little knit throw from Target. Okay, bed is made. I'm gonna do some overall dusting, our dresser, desk table here, side tables. Gonna do some dusting everywhere in here. I almost forgot. Most important part. Definitely need to trim this wick, but I don't have one up here, so hopefully that burns. Wipe everything down with just like Clorox wipes. I'm trying to just use up a lot of these cleaning products we have so I can switch to like some better for you, like non-toxic cleaning products, but this is what we have for right now, so I'm trying to use this up. I'm going to go ahead and wipe down all of those same surfaces. So that's about it for cleaning up in here. Of course, I have all of our like cleaning products out here on the counter, so I'm gonna go ahead and move into the bathroom. This also just needs good cleaning in our sink, so we have some stuff to put away. The toilet, and I'll probably get to the shower as well. So most of our guest room is pretty clean, like I said. This is also John's office, so that's the only place that's like kind of cluttered, but I'm just gonna leave that as is. I'll probably do a little bit of dusting around, then just do one quick like dust and wipe down in here. I don't think I need to clean the shower or anything, and I will go ahead and clean the toilet, and that's probably it for these rooms. Bathroom's all clean here, as well as the guest room. I just did some dusting on the side table and our little like cabinet shelf thing. Now for the shower, this one is much needed. While this is sitting, I'm actually gonna go ahead and vacuum. So downstairs now, definitely want to do a little bit of tidying before I start dusting, wiping everything down here. New edition of the deep clean involves dog toys. So yeah, the couch is kind of mangled, got dog toys everywhere. I'm just gonna kind of pick up. Oh, it's for a good cause though. And the kitchen's pretty organized, put together. I just dumped some of the cleaning stuff here on the counter for now, so we'll just have to do a bit of cleaning in here. So I'm pausing the kitchen for a second and I'm gonna go ahead and wipe down our downstairs bathroom. Last thing I think is the kitchen sink. Off with fresh towels. And here is a final look at everything. So nice and clean. Living room's all put together. I'm gonna wash these like towels and stuff, so I just draped them for now. Bathroom. So that was all for this deep clean with me video. We definitely got through a lot with our upstairs, bathrooms, guest room, downstairs. Feels great now that everything is nice and clean. I hope you all enjoyed this video and thanks for watching.